Hello everyone, myself Sivasubramanian, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, Coimbatore. Now I am going to explain the BMC model of Zydus Cadila. Before sharing the topic, I wish to share a few words about the concept of design thinking. Design thinking is a problem solving approach that involves understanding and addressing user needs. Ideation, prototype, testing, solution. In design thinking, we are having 5 pillars. The first one is CLT, Center for Learning and Teaching. And the second one is SCD, Skill and Career Development. Third one is Center for Creativity, that is CFC. Then IIPC, that is Industry Institute Partnership Cell. Then finally SRI, that is Social Responsibility Initiative. Cadila, a pharma powerhouse which was founded in 1952 and headquartered in Ahmedabad. It has evolved into India's second largest pharmaceutical company with a robust presence across 100 plus countries. The organization operates through three core business verticals: branded formulations, generics, and active pharmaceutical ingredients. Diabetes, cardiovascular, gastrointestinal, and oncology. Zydus demonstrates its commitment to affordable healthcare. The company's research-driven approach has resulted in significant milestones, including India's first indigenously developed COVID-19 vaccine, Zycov-D.
I'm going to explain about the key partners, collaborations for growth and innovation, research institutions, collaborations with premier institutes like IITS and AIMS for drug discovery and clinical research, global pharma companies, licensing agreements and joint ventures with international players for technology transfer, contract manufacturers, strategic outsourcing partnership to optimize production capacity and reduce capital expenditure. Key activities from R&D to market penetration, drug discovery and development, proprietary research programs focused on novel molecules and therapeutic breakthroughs, clinical trials and regulatory, conducting phase 1 to 4 trials and navigating complex regulatory landscapes globally, manufacturing operations, state-of-the-art facilities compliant with international standards including US FDA and EU GMP, quality assurance, rigorous testing protocols ensuring product safety and efficacy at every production stage, marketing and sales, multi-channel promotional strategies targeting healthcare providers and consumers.
Hi, I am Gunamurgan, studying in B.Pharm at SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Science. I am explaining about key resources, human capital, infrastructure and IP. Human capital, over 3,000 R&D professionals including scientists, pharmacologists and clinical researchers driving innovation. Manufacturing infrastructure, 14 manufacturing facilities across India and the US with integrated API and formulation capabilities. Technology platform, proprietary platform in biological vacancies and transdermal delivery system.
Hi, I am Cadila. I am going to explain the value proposition. Value proposition, delivering health and well-being, affordable healthcare, generic version of branded drugs at 50 to 70% lower price, making quality treatment accessible, innovation leadership, first mover in novel drug delivery system and complex generics, quality assurance, international standards compliance, ensuring patient safety and therapeutic efficacy, therapeutic breadth, comprehensive portfolio addressing chronic and acute healthcare needs.
Customer relationship, building trust and loyalty. Relationship building extends beyond transactional exchanges to create long-term partnership based on reliability and value delivery. Healthcare provider engagement, continuous medical education programs and clinical support service for doctors and pharmacists. Field force network, 15,000 plus field representatives maintaining regular contact with healthcare professionals. Patient support programs, adherence counseling, affordable schemes, and disease management initiatives.
Hi, I'm Hemashri studying B from third year. I'm going to explain about channels. Channels reaching every corners of India and beyond. Hospital channel direct supply to government and private hospitals through dedicated institution sales team. Retail pharmacy extensive network of 5 lakhs plus retail outlets covering urban and rural areas. E-commerce digital platforms and online pharmacies for direct to consumer sales. Export operations government supplies institution sales. Customer segments addressing diverse healthcare needs. Patient segments chronic disease patient requiring long-term medications, acute care patients needing short-term treatments, premium segments seeking innovative therapeutics. Economy segment prioritizing affordability. Healthcare providers practicing physician across specialties, hospital procurement departments, retail pharmacists and chemists, clinical research investigators. Business customers, generic drug buyers for private labels, API purchaser for formulations, government healthcare programs, insurance and managed care organizations.
Sita from B Form 5th Sem 3rd year. Now I'm going to explain about cost structure and revenue streams, sustaining growth and profitability. Now I'm going to tell about cost structure. R&D expenditures, 10 to 12% of revenue invested in research and development, manufacturing cost, raw materials, productions, quality controls and facility maintenance, sales and marketing, field force, promotional campaigns and healthcare professionals and engagements. Now I'm going to talk about revenue streams, branded formulations, premium products in chronic therapy area with strong brand qualities, generic medicines, high volume products in regulated and emerging markets, API sales, bulk drug substance to global formulations companies. Thank you.